Ad Astra, my fellow human space flight and space exploration enthusiasts. It has been a good week for space exploration, and who knows what the future holds. Maybe we will become the species that sends UFOs to other planets instead of wondering whether other alien civilizations are sending their spacecraft to our planet. Alright, jokes apart, and maybe the reality when far future generations actually begin interstellar travel. But I think it's a very good sign for Indian space exploration that a private company, Agnikul Cosmos, which is such a cool name, fired their Agnibaan test vehicle, which was called Sorted because it was a suborbital test flight, successfully. And at the same time, nearly the same time, the Boeing Starliner finally, after 7 years of delays and everything, managed to get a 2-person crew, including Indian origin astronaut Sunny Williams and Butch Wilmore, to the International Space Station, which is also nearing its end of life in the 2030s. So I think they are planning to extend it because there is no sustainable alternative to the space station yet, other than China's Tiangong, which is doubtful if they'll share it. In any case, the third thing that happened in the past week for space exploration was the 4th Starship test flight, which was almost nearly successful on all parameters, including, and this is the main part, soft landing both the booster with the Falcon Heavy Raptor engines and the main Starship part, which splashed into the Indian Ocean and did the flip maneuver and fired its retro engines to slow down and try and achieve a soft landing on the ocean surface. Now these things are very important, and that is why Starship is obviously at the forefront of reusable spacecraft. Of course, there are other very noteworthy and sort of successful projects. I think one is by Electron Rocket Labs. The booster is called Electron, in which they're trying to catch it in the air with a helicopter slung net. And then of course there's ISRO's, India's very own Gaganyaan. And of course I live in India, I am an Indian, and I feel proud that ISRO is going forward with the manned spaceflight program, which is called Gaganyaan, as I said. And the 4 astronauts have been given astronaut wings by PM Modi a few months ago, I guess. And I just can't wait to see how they will manage to extend India's technological capabilities and make sure that all the technologies that are developed during the course for space flights are utilized to improve life for humanity here on Earth. And I think it's a sign of our times that we are the species who might be wiped out like the dinosaurs were, but that's again in the far future, and we have the capability to avoid that by becoming a multiplanetary species, like Elon Musk says. So I might not agree with him on all of his views, but I do agree with him that we need to become multiplanetary if our species has any chance of surviving beyond biological criteria. We have to use technology to make sure that we not just overcome nature's force, but also try and adapt to it in a way that makes life sustainable in the long term. And with that, I will close off this video and request you to check out my other space exploration videos. I am Akshat.